what's up? You have more Korean news for us?
Of course, I have lots more coming up. We got the exclusive scoop on who's the next big star in Korea will be. Okay, and she's a beautiful, beautiful lady. And we, at The Sweet Life, got to interview her for the first time ever for the Philippine TV. So, you'll remember her for sure from now till forever, and you'll never forget her. So, let's watch this. Okay. The next hottest star in Korea is in the works, and we got the first ever look at how sweet her life is.
I'm here with a very beautiful lady, and I'm sure all of us who fell in love with Lovers in Prague know who's beside me, a very beautiful actress, Miss Yoon Se-ah. Lovers in Prague로 굉장히 필리핀 시청자분들에게 사랑을 많이 받으셨는데요. 거기 2005년에 데뷔를 하셨다고 들었는데요. 맨 처음에 연기를 큰 드라마로 이렇게 처음에 하셨는데 어떤 게 힘드셨어요, 제일?
I was very confused because nung una, hindi pa ako sanay sa harap ng camera. Tapos big stars na kagad yung kasama ko. So I just did what I was told, and I was very glad that the outcome was better than expected.
SBS에서 신인상을 2005년 받으셨는데요. 지금 좀 늦었지만 그때 소감 얘기해 주세요. 그러니까 너무 좋으셨을 것 같아요. 2005년 데뷔하셨는데 신인상 받는다는 게 힘들 텐데.
I received the award through my participation for Lovers in Prague. Sobrang saya ko and thankful for everybody who helped me make such an impressive break in the industry. I was very thankful.
지금까지 해오신 역할이 많지만 또 나중에는 이런 역할도 한번 해보고 싶다 하시는 역할 같은 게 있으세요? 아니면 누구의 롤을 한번 내가 역할을 해보고 싶다?
Most of the roles I play ay mga emotionally challenged. Mabibigat ang problema pero malakas ang loob lumaban. Kaya I would really like a character na light lang, cute and energetic.
굉장히 아름다우세요. 필리핀 분들도 진짜 한국 여자들이 다 그렇게 이쁘냐고 저를 보면서 하는 얘기는 아니겠지만요. 근데 어떻게 관리를 하세요? 피부나 몸매도 너무 이쁘시고.
I love eating, so I eat a lot and I exercise. Kahit nagpa-practice ako ng pag-iyak, I run at least 1 hour a day on a treadmill, weightlifting, and I may not have the perfect skin, pero I make sure I clean my makeup very thoroughly.
지금 필리핀에 한번 다녀오셨다고 들었는데요. 어디를 다녀오셨어요?
I spent my last summer vacation this year in Cebu. I was in a beautiful island. Mababait ang mga tao and the food was so delicious. I had such a wonderful time there, kaya nung nalaman kong gusto kong ma-interview ng isa sa mga tao sa Philippines, I was more than happy to agree and I felt proud of myself.
필리핀에 가셨을 때 필리핀 분들을 많이 만나셨었나요? 뭐 친구들도 만들고 혹시 그러실 기회가 있으셨는지?
I didn't have the time or the opportunity to make friends because I went there on a very tight, short schedule. But the people who works at the hotel, mababait at marunong din mag-Korean. Tatanungin nila ako, gusto ko ba ng mango juice? And they greet me, hello, say thank you in Korean. I don't speak English very well pero attentive sila to my questions and needs. Nag-island hopping tour pa nga ako eh. Then kumain ako ng chicken and pork barbecue with Filipino soy sauce. Nilagyan ko ng kanin and I ate with my hands. It was very delicious. And even now, pag nagugutom ako, naaalala ko ang food in Cebu.
Korea's next big star is a fan of Filipino dishes. One more reason why we just love her.
Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for coming this far to interview me. And thank you for loving Korean telenovelas and for remembering me.
Ang ganda ng skin niya, Grace.
Yeah, very, very nice skin. That's what I was asking her also. I was asking her, bakit sobrang ganda ng skin niya? And as she said, she wets the cotton with milk and wine.
Milk and wine?
Milk and wine. So, one day milk, one day wine. Tapos, binabasa niya yung face niya. And then she washes it after.
Kalain mo, nilalasing pala pati mukha.
Oo nga, no? Anong klaseng wine? Red wine o white wine?
Sana tinanong mo, Grace Lee.
Maybe red wine. Because me personally, favorite ko red wine. Tsaka yung red wine kasi meron daw siyang substance na nakakaputi rin daw. Tsaka nagmo-moisturize.
Ay, naku, papaligo ko yung red wine na yan.
Now naman, it's time for Grace Lee to show us how Korean women do every woman's favorite pastime.
Shopping!
Yeah.
Ako, ayan. At di lang yan. Ako, namili pa si Grace ng pasalubong. Sobrang excited na ako. Kaya panoorin natin to.
Chadong. This is really a famous street here in Seoul to a lot of tourists because this is where you find traditional Korean gifts and products. Well, today, since I'm here in Korea, syempre hindi ko makakalimutan si Lucy tsaka si Wilma. So, well, Sweet Life is a little bit generous to me. And they gave me 30,000 won. This is about 1,500 pesos. And I have to buy Miss Wilma and Miss Lucy a gift from Korea na very traditional yung dating, diba? So it's a little bit of a challenge, but I'll see what I can do about it. May nakita ako, something for Miss Lucy's daughter. Kasi sinabi niya, sobrang hiling niya daw manood ng Jewel in the Palace. So, here's a dress for dolls kasi, na Korean costume. Parang maganda itong pink tsaka red. Nakakatuwa kasi may nakita akong laruan na very traditional Korean and I haven't seen them selling this for a very long time. Actually, toy ito panahon pa ng parents ko. And I think this is perfect gift for Miss Wilma's daughter. Okay, he's gonna show us how it's done. Pasok sa loob, okay? Tapos ikutin yung ball. Tapos, okay, action. Ikaw action? Okay. Ooh! Galing! Oh, okay. Galing, oh. Okay, try it. I'm sure Ashana can do it much better than I can. So, this is actually a purse. Ganda, oh. Pink and purple for Miss Lucy and Miss Wilma. Okay ba? This one's pretty. Yeah, I have 13. This one's good, I think. 4,000 each. So it's about, how much is it? 200 pesos? I think it's a good deal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chopsticks, diba? For special occasions. I think that's pretty nice. Okay, I have 3,000 left, pero ang dami ko nang biniling gift, diba? So ang inisip ko, ba't hindi na lang ako kumain ng street food? Diba? May natira ko 3,000 eh. So, I'm gonna eat street food with the leftover.
Naiinggit talaga ako.
You have to come with me on our next
Gusto
shoot.
ko yun, yung mga maliliit na tindahan sa gilid-gilid, tapos yung mga street food.
Yeah, it's really,
Sarap.
really yummy. I mean, to really explore Korean food, talagang, diba? Street food talaga eh.
Or any place,
Yeah.
for that matter, you go to the street.
So, here's
At
the
na
gift.
pasalubong.
This is the
Ang mic.
chopstick. This is the chopsticks. This is also for display, but you can also use it talaga for special occasions where you're serving Asian food.
Okay.
It has little pockets with it.
Yan.
That's
Ang
sobrang
ganda naman, parang sayang gamitin.
Oo nga. I'm sure ang nanay ko i-display niya to kasi hindi kami naman masyado mag-chopstick sa house.
And Grace, it's really, really acceptable, no? Na every person around the dining table can use a different chopstick,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Ang ganda.
This
I
one
love
naman is the traditional wallet. I give you the pink.
Because I'm sweet, yeah.
Okay, and then the purple. For
But I'm
our-
sweeter.
This is for your lovely daughters. Kasi, di ba, you made me kwento na, yeah, she wants to put her hair up pa, like, Jewel in the Palace. Pero, hindi ako nakabili ng wig. So, yan na lang yung binili ko para sa kanya, for her
Problema
Barbie
ko na lang
dolls.
kung pipilitin niya itong isuot.
Ako nga,
That's for her dolls. This one.
bongga trumpo sa inyo, ha?
Trumpo ba dito? Meron bang ganyan?
Oo, may trumpo kami.
No, pero ganyan na ganyan?
Trumpo kasing, di ba?
Ano ba yan? Tops.
Yung tops na parang
Iniikot
ko. Ay,
ka na.
meron din
May
tayo.
pako, oo.
Okay.
Thanks, Grace Lee.
You're
Grace,
very
balik ka pa
welcome.
ulit, ha? Kasi may pasalubong pala tayo every time bumabalik
Okay.
si Grace Lee. Lagi
No
ka alis,
problem.
ha? Wala ka ba ipa-plug? Wala ka isa-thank, sponsor?
Of course, I would like to thank our Korean sponsors, Hyundai Instruments and Uncle Andy Kim. And also for You Salon, who always who sponsor for my makeup and for my hair.
Yeah.
Thank you to everybody, and of course the staff of Sweet Life. Talagang naghirap sila doon kasi ang lamig.
Yes.
Yeah, lamig sila pero kinaya namin lahat. Thank you so
And you
much.
thank Jay for your hair. Di ba si JJ
Oh
gumawa
yeah,
ng hair
Jay,
mo?
thank you so much for my hair.
Okay. The season gets colder pero ang mga nauusong wardrobe gets hotter. Find out kung ano-ano dapat suotin na cover-ups and the right outfits to match them with when the Sweet Life returns.